In this video I'm going to show you how to add these gorgeous tassels to your scarves and blankets. Hello, I'm Karen Stangram and welcome back to Conquer Crochet. So I've come to the end of my scarf pattern and I want to put my tassels on the end. So without chaining, I'm just going to turn my scarf and we're going to be working along the short edge. I have a ruler here. Now you can use a tape measure, but tape measures can sometimes curl up. So something that's rigid like a ruler, or if you know you have something of a certain length, then you'll be able to use that. We need something that's 9 inches long. So I'm going to do a slip stitch in the very first stitch. So insert yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook. That gives us a nice sort of tidy edge there. And then we're going to pull our loop until it is 9 inches long. So the easiest way I found to do this is to put your hook on the 9 inch and then pull the loop until you get to the 0. You can pull it the other way. I just find that way has worked easier for me. So holding on to the knot where that loop is, so it doesn't get any bigger or smaller, you're going to take the hook underneath both of those parts of the loop and bring it up and twist, and you can let go of it. I'm holding on with my finger while I let go. So that's one twist, and you can see how there's a little twist in the yarn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to twist 25 times. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see how this is getting tighter now. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now you can have more or less as long as they're equal for each of your tassels. Then I'm going to find the next stitch, so I'm going to fold it in half with my little finger, find the next stitch, and I'm going to do a slip stitch. Now you'll find that your tassel will not be nice and even. If it's not, just keep pulling it and giving it a little twist until it's nice and straight. Then going to slip stitch into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then pull up another 9 inch loop. Hold on to the knot, keeping it in place on your hook. Do your twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Use my little finger to fold it in half, and this time I'm going into a chain, so I'm going to go through both parts of the chain, make it nice and secure, and slip stitch and pull through. Again, if it's not nice and tidy, just tidy it up a bit. And now we have 2. Now if you don't measure to the same length, you're going to end up with tassels that are different lengths. So the next one, slip stitch. Again, I'm going into a chain here. On the next one it will be a stitch. So depending what you've got here, if you wanted to, you could do a row of double crochet just to neaten up that edge. That's entirely up to you. So slip stitch, pull to the 9 inches, and then start your twisting again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Little finger to fold it in half and then slip stitch into the next stitch and tidy that up. So that's how your tassels are going to look. Now when you do that from the opposite end, you're obviously going to have to join yarn, so weave away your tail. Let me just grab another yarn. I don't have any more of this colour to show you. So I'm going to make a slip knot, but you can join your yarn in whichever way you prefer. So find your short edge, find the first stitch, join your yarn, and you can chain one, then slip stitch into that stitch, and then pull your 9-inch loop, except this one doesn't want to pull at the moment. Come on. Let's check it's my 9 inches, and then do your wrapping as we did before. So I really hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. It does help the algorithm to show it to other crocheters. If you're interested in this pattern, it is the heartfelt scarf. You could easily extend this to be a blanket as well. I will pop a link in the description below, but it should also be linked somewhere around this video. I'll pop 2 more videos on the screen to help you on your crochet journey, and I will see you over there. Thank you so much for joining me on this one, and happy hooking!